biggest thing is knowing which formula to use, right? So when you want to select the right formula, you ask yourself the first question: how many payments are there? If it's not a once-off payment, then it's a what?
Regular payment.
Now, on the once-off part, it's the finance for grade 10 and 11. So if it's not a once-off, it's a
regular.
Now, if it's a once-off, it's either your money is
Appreciating.
or your money is.
Depreciating.
If your money is appreciating, then it's
Increasing.
depreciating, it's
Decreasing.
iliphi igama elisetshenziswayo ukubizwa le mali oyibalela ukuthi depreciate.
Book value
Or-
or fair value.
Now, uma uyivula imali yakho la appreciate are using two methods, right? It's either yini
Simple interest.
or yini.
Compound interest.
Now, kunamagama afihle, kunamagama ayimbuzi kwawona. Uma kuthiwa inflation, you know kusetshenziswa yini?
Compound.
Uma kuthiwa population growth yini?
Compound.
Uma kuthiwa higher purchase.
Simple.
Now phuma ke lokho bese siya kuleyana grade 12 le baleke ngempela ke manje kwena kule lapha bengivusa kulele ngempela. Now the grade 12 one it's regular, right? If not regular kusetshenziswa igama ethini? Annuities. Come on, you guys, and say this grade 12, right? Now annuities yini ebalekile? When do you need the what? The money. It's the money udinga nini?
Now.
Uyazi uma udinga imali awunayo ngeje manje akethi. Should you consider taking a Holy shit, that's correct. Now, if it's not now, you need the money when?
Future.
Ungakwazi ukuyisavela ke? Now, let's ask a small and random question. X stands for what this one? It stands for what?
Monthly installment.
Nonke valana amehlo. Thani kusula namhlanje. Ngiyavuma ukuthi finance iyangishuka.
Ukuthi finance yakho.
Kodwa kusefikile ukhathekule ukhukulela ngoqa. Uzongisiza kule nto engibhekene nayo. U-X akasi monthly payment. But it's a regular payment or installment or equal payment. But it's a what? It's a regular payment or installment or equal payment.